Hello everyone, and in the last few lectures we have learned a lot about 3D figures, and now we have got a good grip over the tools used in 3D designing. So in this lecture we shall do a small exercise. As you can see this figure, we shall draw this in Autodesk Fusion 360 with the measurements, and we will be approximating the measurements. So the base of this is a rectangle with two semicircles over it on the either sides. So first we shall draw a rectangle whose length is 114 millimeter. We shall consider all the measurements in millimeters. Its length is 114 millimeters and breadth is 64 mm. So shall draw a rectangle. Here's a rectangle, and I would like to select the center of the rectangle. Its breadth was 64 and length was 114. Yeah, and then there were two semicircles. As I cannot draw directly semicircle, I will choose the option of arc, and I would like to choose this arc, and then selecting the center of it, and then its radius, and then its 180 degree. Yeah, that's fine. And then yeah, I kind okay, and then another arc here at this position of 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the figure it's look like. Yeah, I can delete this and even this. So it is the base of the figure we require. Okay, and now the height of the figure is different at different positions. Like here its height is 19 mm and here its height is 13 mm. So I will not extrude it now, I will do that later. Now I will draw these two circles of radius 22 mm. So the center was this one, so a circle, and make sure that it is center circle, and select this, and it was 22. Then press enter, and similarly a circle here, select circle and draw it. Yeah, 22. Okay, it's fine. And now what I have to do, if you observe cleanly this figure, the circles are holes in this figure. So I have to extrude only this portion other than the circle. And first we should divide this. Its length is 114 and it is 32. So if you clearly observe, the between 60, the total is 114 and the middle 64 part is removed. So the remaining is 50. This is 25 mm, this is 25 mm. So I will draw a line, a 25. Sorry, I have selected triangle 25 to 5. Okay, and then press enter, and from here I will draw the other line to make the partition. Yeah, this line I have drawn just for the sake of the length, and similarly again here it is 25. Make sure it is, the angle should not change, and now draw a line to cut this surface. Yeah, now it's clear. Now I have to extrude this length. It is 19 mm, only those two areas are 19 mm. So I'll select this, and I'll select the option control and this, and then extrude. It was 19, so better I'll write here 1919. Similarly, yeah, I have lost all those things, so I will make I'll select all these 4 portions and extrude, and as it was 19, 1, 9. Okay, now it's clear. And now if you see that here it is a shape of its width is, it was 50, no, it is 13, I guess. Yeah, it is 13, 13, 13, 13. So I have to draw over this surface. I will draw triangle, sorry, rectangle of length of breadth 13. It's 1, 3. Okay, and I think I have selected its length as 13. It should be 13, and this is 64. Yeah, enter. And then I'll have to extrude this to a height of, this is 45, 45 plus 19, 50, 64. Extrude it to 64, 64. Okay, and then similarly here and here. So I'll draw again on this plane, starting from here. Its breadth was, let me get over that, it was 13 by 13. Okay, it was 1, 3. I think I have choose, okay, 1, 3, and this is the length of 64 here, and then the same here. Okay, I can join this, it will be 13. Okay, fine. Now I will extrude both of them. A, and as I said, it was length of how much? 45 plus 19, 63. So 63. I think it was it was 64, sorry. And now extrude again. Yeah, I lost the plane, so actually I have to make both the planes at a time. So Ctrl Z, I'll select both the planes at a time. And now extrude, sorry, I lost that. Better change the view so it will be comfortable to extend this. Instead of cut, make new body, and it was 64. Press enter. Okay, yeah, it is getting somewhat like this figure. And now then there is a section plane here, a type of bend. I think we are done with all the things. Now we have to extrude this plane of length 13. So draw a figure here and extrude it. It starts from here and make up to here. You can make more, no problem, but it should not be less. Okay, and then enter, press E. It was 13. So 1, 3, and make sure it is new body, not cut. Now observe that there are somewhat marks here. That's because of I have taken more length. And I think we are done with everything. Just we need is a cross plane here. I think I have not covered this part, but it is some kind of fillet. But in fillet it is like this, and in draft you can see it is the plain one. So first I have to extrude this completely. Okay, then modify and draft. It's, I think I have made a mistake. Yeah, it's fine up to now. But instead of this tool, I have to say other tool. First, extrude it completely up to here, and now fillet. Press enter, and fillet makes this a curved path. But I need a straight. So there is a tool named as not draft. It is chamfer. So select the edge and pull it. Sorry. Yeah. So this was the figure that was required. As you can see, let me zoom this. Yeah, I think, yeah, these are same. Thank you.